Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how you can find your Bitcoin address on Binance. Now this is very easy and quick. All you have to do, guys, you want to follow these simple steps and you will be able to find Bitcoin address on Binance. Now the first thing you need to do, guys, is you want to click on your wallet in the top right. You want to click on wallet, just move your mouse to wallet. By the way, you can do the same steps on your phone, Android phone or iPhone. Now if you are using PC or laptop, you just want to move your mouse to wallet and click on fiat and spot, the second option. And what you need to do, guys, next is you need to scroll down. Okay, you need to scroll down a little bit, and as you can see here, guys, you want to search for Bitcoin. As you can see, BTS, and under that you will see here the Bitcoin. Now in the right, okay, next to that you want to click on deposit. As you can see, you want to click on deposit, and here it will be automatically Bitcoin. If it's not Bitcoin, then you just want to search for BTS and select Bitcoin. As you can see, this is the Bitcoin. Now this is the most important thing, is to select the network. Now if you don't know, guys, the correct network, then don't risk it because your funds will be lost. So as it says here, please note that only supported networks on Binance platform are shown. If you deposit via another network, your assets may be lost. So make sure you select the correct network. If you are using Ethereum or BNB Smart Chain, you just want to select the correct network. And yeah, after that you will find here your Bitcoin address. Okay, here you will find it here, and this is the Bitcoin address. As you can see, this is it. Okay, and yeah, you can also, like you see here, selected wallet, spot wallet, expected arrival after 15 network confirmation. Now you can read this before you do the transaction. Now that's it, guys. This is your Bitcoin address.